You open your phone, boom, another crisis. Recession, layoffs, inflation, AI taking jobs, climate disasters, and now a US-China trade war? Great, just what we needed. It feels like the world's having a breakdown. And somehow, you're expected to stay calm, focused, and productive? Let's be honest, it's exhausting. But here's the twist. Some of the most successful people today, they didn't rise in spite of chaos. They grew because of it. So how do you do that? How do you turn global chaos into personal growth? Let's break it down. 1. Shrink the chaos down to size. You can't control the economy, or the stock market, or what 2 superpowers decide to tax next week. But you can control your next hour. Drink some water, make your bed, clean your desk. That's not small. That's powerful. Because when everything feels out of control, controlling the little things brings you back to center. 2. Upgrade your skills, not your stress. School teaches you facts. The world demands skills. Want to stand out in a world run by AI and chaos? Start learning clear communication, creative thinking, problem solving, digital tools, Hello, Canva, Notion, ChatGPT. Learn a little bit every day. You don't need another degree. You need adaptability. 3. Build your own economy. Most people have one income stream. And when that stream dries up, they panic. Smart people? They plant multiple seeds. Love writing? Start a newsletter. Good at drawing? Sell digital prints. Like talking? Try YouTube Shorts. Start small. Stay consistent. Sooner than you think, you'll have your own safety net. 4. Create a calm corner in a loud world. 30 minutes a day. No news, no noise, no scroll. Just sit, or walk, or focus on one thing. This is not a luxury. It's mental strength training. And in a chaotic world, a calm mind is a superpower. 5. Keep showing up even when it sucks. Growth isn't about doing everything right. It's about doing the next right thing over and over again. Even if it's boring, even if it's hard, even if no one claps for you. Tiny steps. Every day. That's how you grow in chaos. Remember this. The world may be unstable, but your next move doesn't have to be. You don't need a 10-year plan. You just need the courage to take one smart step today. Even one small step today can change everything tomorrow. So, what's yours? Share it in the comments. Let's grow together.